Ahoj friends!
Ahoj friends!
Today we will learn animals in Slovakian.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Set, let's do it! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Today we are pretending we are at a farm. Where's the farm? Show them.
Here.
There it is. And there are animals that live on the farm. I'm sure you guys have seen these animals before. And we have Old MacDonald who's taking care of them. Where is Old MacDonald?
Here.
Can you show your friends? There he is. Old MacDonald is about to feed these animals. And my princess right next to me is gonna choose who's gonna get fed first. Okay. Me. They all want to eat and they're super hungry. Which one should we feed first?
Take turns, okay?
First, me.
Here.
What is that animal called?
Pig.
A pig. Piggy's gonna eat first. How do we say pig in Slovakian?
Prasiatko.
Prasiatko. That is right, Annabella. Good job. And what does a piggy say?
Oink, 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 oink.
Oink, 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 oink. In English, piggy says oink, 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 oink. Did you guys know that animals speak in different languages too? Did you know that? So, a piggy in Slovakia is gonna say quick, 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 quick. Okay.
It's your turn.
Okay, piggy's gonna eat. Take the piggy. Okay, and we're gonna put it on the board. Piggy is Prasiatko. 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 Can you say it again?
Prasiatko.
Prasiatko. You can also say Prasa.
Prasa.
Good job. Okay. Me. Who's gonna get fed next? I'm gonna put this one down here. Me.
Okay. It's your turn.
Kuriatko.
Kuriatko.
That's right.
They said Kuriatko.
Good job, guys. Yay.
They said you thank you.
Kuriatko or Kura. What does it, Annabelle, what does a chicken say?
Beep, 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 beep.
Kuriatko in Slovakian also says beep, 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 beep. Go eat, Kuriatko. Yeah. Go. Kuriatko.
Kuriatko.
Good job. Or Kura. Can you say Kura?
Kura.
Big Kuriatko is Kura. Kura. Good job. Okay, we'll do a pig next.
Okay.
Me.
Your turn.
What is that animal called?
Meow.
Meow. A cat.
Mačka.
Mačička? Yes, that's a kitten. Mačička.
Mačka.
Mačička. Yay. Okay. Can I eat now?
You can.
All right. Take her. Woo, and feed her.
I don't want more.
Mačička. Say Mačka.
Mačka.
Yeah, Mačka or Mačička. How many more do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more animals. Nyam. Hungry. Me. What is this animal called? It's a cow?
Cow.
What does a cow say? Moo. How do we say cow in Slovakian?
Kravička.
Kravička. Can you try it with us? Let's try it again. Kravička.
Kravička.
And you can also say Krava. Good job, guys. Kravička. How many animals do we have left? Can we count them in Slovakian? Jeden, Два, три. How do we say animals? We forgot to teach them that. We say Zvieratká.
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 Good job. We have jeden, dva, tri. Tri zvieratka. What's three? Zvieratka.
Tri zvieratka.
Tri zvieratka. Super. Okay, who's gonna eat next?
Okay, you can eat. Doggy.
Ooh, a doggy. What does a doggy say, Annabella?
Woof, woof, woof.
Roof, roof, roof. Well, a Slovakian doggy would say. Do you know what a Slovakian doggy would say? He would say, how, 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 how. And in Slovakian, a doggy is... How do we say dog? Pes.
Pes.
Pes. You can also say psík, but we say pes. Say it again.
Pes.
Pes. Good job. Okay, his turn
Pes.
to eat. Good job. Pes. Yum, yum, yum. Take. Okay. Pes. Okay, who's gonna eat next? Me, me, me.
Your turn.
What is this animal called? A duck?
Duck.
What does a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Well, in Slovakia we call it Kačička. Can you say that?
Kačička.
Kačička.
Good.
And Kačička says, Kach, 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 kach. Kach, 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 kach. Kach, 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 kach. Kačička, ready to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Kačička. Say it with us again. Kačička.
Kačička.
Good job. You can also say Kačka. Can you say Kačka, Annabella?
Kačka.
Kačka. Good job. And the last but not least, we have a
Horsey.
horsey. That's right. In Slovakian, a horsey is, do you remember? What is it called?
Koník.
Koník. Can you say it again?
Koník.
Koník. That's right. And Koník is super hungry. Let's feed him. Woo! Koník. Koník. Say it again.
Koník.
Koník. And in Slovakia, Koník goes. What does a Koník do? Yay! Okay, let's go over the animals, should we? Okay, we have Prasiatko.
Prasiatko.
Prasiatko. We have Kuriatko.
Kuriatko.
Kuriatko. We have Mačička.
Mačička.
And Kravička.
Kravička.
Pes.
Pes.
Kačička.
Kačička.
A Koník.
Koník.
Good job. Congratulations on learning the farm animals.
If you want to learn more, come back again. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.